Here, and today I want to show you how you can search Google from different locations and in different languages. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download this free Chrome extension called the Google Search Location Changer, and I've left a link for that in the description. The second thing you'll need is optional, but I highly recommend it because it makes everything or makes this process more accurate and better. So that is a VPN. Now I use NordVPN because it's the best, and there are um, multiple packages that you can choose that suit your budget, which I have left a link in the description for that as well. But let's move on to how to actually do this. So once you've installed this extension, head over to Google, and as you can see, I am based in the Netherlands, so that is my version of Google. But let's say now I would like to search in the States, for example. I'll click on the extension logo, and I am presented with a few buttons here, and also a list of countries as well as languages. So these are just quick buttons for some of the bigger, more searched countries in the world. But let's say I want to do search in the States. I will search, and now what it is doing is it is opening a version of Google with the modifiers, the English language and the geolocation in the US. So now let's say I want to see what AirPods cost in the States. So you'll notice that I have been presented with Apple.com, Amazon.com, Walmart, and here's a whole grid of US-based companies that are selling AirPods and the price is in dollars. Now, one thing is that I do have my location set to my home country, which is now the Netherlands. So you will get instances here where it's still picking up where I am currently based. And that is why I definitely recommend using a VPN. So let's say we wanted to search the United Kingdom. Now I would change my location to the UK, and I would start this process again. Click on that. We can go to the United Kingdom. I want to search in English. Now you'll see our language is still English, but we are now geolocated in the UK. So we will look for AirPods. And now you can see the top bar is presented with UK businesses, UK prices. Here we're also being delivered the UK version of Apple, the UK version of Amazon, um, some UK-based businesses, and you can see that our IP address is not being picked up anywhere because we are using a VPN. So it is, well, of course, besides for being picked up in the UK, it's not being picked up anywhere else. Like we saw in the previous example where my Amsterdam-based location was picked up. So that's why I say using a VPN is the best for this. But let's say you wanted to search in a country where there's more than one language. So our neighbors, Belgium, for example, have got more than one official language. So Belgium, and now you can say we can see that there is Dutch, French, and German, which are the three most commonly spoken languages in the country. So let's say we want to search Belgium, but in French, um, we can do so. And now you'll see that everything is in French here. The version of Google is in French, but the location is Belgium, and the language is French. So you can do this for a multitude of languages and countries. Um, and actually, I have developed this extension myself, so downloading it, and if you find it useful, um, giving a review would be fantastic. I really appreciate it. And yes, I have left a link in the description for this. So yeah, feel free to check it out. And also, I have left a link to NordVPN. As I mentioned, it is well worth using with this for the most accurate results. I actually use it to check search results in different countries because I am an SEO specialist and that is what I do every day, so it helps a lot. But there's various ways in which you can use this extension to help you. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, um, feel free to let me know, and I hope it helps.